In this fast-changing, disruptive, and digitally driven environment, the challenges that businesses face are relentless and often require cost-effective, transformational changes in a compressed timeframe. As businesses work towards achieving their organizational goals, they often look at the key strategies needed to attain these desired goals. With our years of relevant experience, professional expertise, and resources, we want to help you achieve your goals and sustain them. We will journey with you to understand and assess your organizational needs and challenges, and help you develop unique business case-based interventions contextualized for your organization. To complement your efforts to augment your internal organizational and HR capabilities, we use the following framework to review and strengthen the pillars. That is, culture and mindset, competence, and governance of your organizational capability, together with your key business strategies. The solution could include a combination of either consultancy, leadership coaching, and/or learning workshops. We will ensure excellent implementation in these areas and ultimately see your business thriving as a measure of our success. Connect with us today and take your business success to the next level.